The village square bursts with life, a vibrant tapestry of daily routines. Amidst the lively scene, the young man, his face etched with concern, approaches the old lady. The old lady sits serenely on the bench, observing the spirited activity around her. He pauses, hesitant, as the sounds of children playing and vendors calling fill the air. Sunlight streams into the old lady's cottage, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. The old lady smiles warmly, her eyes crinkling with gentle amusement. The young man leans forward, curiosity etched on his face. "Why are you always happy, no matter what happens?" The old lady's eyes twinkle with wisdom as she begins. "Let me tell you a story from my past. In a humble cottage, the younger old lady shares laughter and love with her husband and children. The atmosphere of joy shatters as the husband collapses, gripped by sudden illness. Desperate, the old lady frantically searches for a cure, her hope dwindling with each passing moment. Inconsolable grief engulfs the old lady as she sits vigil by her husband's bedside. Her world forever changed. "It was the saddest day of my life," she narrates, her voice heavy with the weight of memory. The cottage, once filled with warmth and laughter, now echoes with the silence of loss. The young man walks through the village square, a warm smile lighting up his face. He greets the villagers, his kindness radiating through the square. Inspired by his positivity, the villagers interact with newfound joy. The old lady watches from her bench, her eyes filled with contentment at the transformed village. The young man acknowledges the old lady with a respectful nod, expressing silent gratitude.